Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So my name is Rahul Prajapati and I am working as a senior data analyst with 5 years of experience at Addend Analytics. So in this video I will explain to how to exporting multiple table to Excel tab in SSRS or report builder. So so first thing is, what is Excel export in SSRS? So basically SSRS allow user to export report into various formats such as PDF, Word and Excel. When exporting to Excel, SSRS maintain the structure of report element like tablets, group and page breaks. By using the specific design technique, developers can control how data appear in Excel, including placing tables into separate tabs, worksheet. This feature is especially useful while dealing into large report containing multiple section or data sets. So there's a simple meaning in Excel export in SSRS. So what is the step we had follow in there? So first I create one table visual and then another one. So first we align both of them. So here you can see we have created two data set. One is for first table and another is for the second table useful. So I just select the first one and here I just put a random data, for example a customer ID, sales, discount, no, not there, discount, then quantity also. Okay, so in the below one we have used a data set 2. So my drag, yes, okay. So in the property tab we also choose our data sets. So here I selected data set 2. Okay, so our report is ready. One is for data set 1, first visual, and second visual work for data set 2. So after that we just select a table 1, and in the property tab we have an option page break. So here I select with and. And also here is the option to select page name. So I just give table 1, oh sorry, table 1, and for the table visual table 2. Okay, so all the setup are completed. So just a preview here. I just run the report. Okay, so after creating the visuals, just click on the run button and export it to an Excel file. So here is the option to export all the formats. So I just select the Excel file. and I just give one name is test. Okay, so where is my report? That's this one. Okay, so here you can see our first visual is look in the table 1, and just click on the second one. So second one is here. So exporting multiple table visual into separate Excel tab using SSRS is a powerful feature. This is a powerful feature that enhance report usability and presentation by using page break and report design technique. Developer can create structure and professional Excel output. You can see here. So that's all from my side. So thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.